If you want to export a HandBrake preset, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is really useful if you've spent time dialing in your perfect video settings and want to back them up, transfer them to another computer, or share them with someone else. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake and make sure you've already adjusted all of your settings the way you want them. That means checking things like your video settings, audio settings, subtitles, and anything else you want included in the preset. The important thing here is that the preset should reflect exactly how you want HandBrake to behave every time you use it. Once everything looks right, look for the Save New Preset button in the middle of the window. Click that button to begin creating your custom preset. A box will appear asking you to name the preset, so type in a clear name that you'll recognize later. For example, you might use something like YouTube 1080p export or high quality web preset. After typing the name, click Add. Once you do that, your new preset will appear under the Custom Presets category in the sidebar. Now make sure your new preset is selected in the sidebar because this is the one you're going to export. With the preset selected, click the Presets menu. From that menu, choose Export to File. This is the option that turns your saved preset into a file you can store on your computer. HandBrake will then ask you where you want to save it. Choose a destination folder that's easy to remember, like your desktop, downloads folder, or a dedicated backup folder for presets. After selecting the location, click Save. HandBrake will export the preset as a .json file, which means you now have a portable copy of your custom setup. You can keep that file as a backup, move it to another machine, or use it later if you ever need to restore your settings, and that's really all there is to exporting a HandBrake preset. The key steps are, save your configuration as a custom preset first, then use the preset menu to export it as a file. If you want more HandBrake tutorials, encoding tips, or other software how-to videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.